Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Glam with Isis. If it's your first time, a warm welcome to you. And if you're here as a subscribed member already, thank you. Today I'm decorating my dining room table and it's just with a pop of color. Let me know what your comments are, like, share, and don't forget to press your notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video. Let's jump straight into it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. This is the end result. I really do love the pop of purple, and leave a comment below, share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to put your notification bell on, and every time I upload a video you can know when I do. See you at my next video. Bye for now.